Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I'm going to show you how you can tell from a cutting of the money plant which side is the root side and which side is the growing side. So if you have a branch, this is an English ivy branch. So if you have a branch like this, you can immediately tell that this is the root side and this is the growth side, because you know the leaves are growing and they are becoming smaller on the top. This is thicker and the direction of the leaves, so you can immediately tell. But suppose you have a cutting like this. This is a money plant cutting. Now how do you tell which side is the root side, or which one should you put in the soil and which one should be on the top? So to understand that, here is a money plant cutting in which you can see that there are nodes from where the roots and the leaves come out. From each node there is a possibility of a root and a leaf. Now if you look at this node, there is both a root, this could grow into a root, and there is a leaf coming out. Now if you look at their positions, the root is below the node and the leaf is above the node, right? So then you can say that this side is the root side and this side is the growth side. Got it? Now if we look at this, now here there are no leaves growing, but you can see that there are roots coming out, and they are coming out below this line. You see the line of the junction, the node, they are coming below. So that means this is the root side and this is the growth side. If I was holding it like this, you would see that the root is above the line. So that means this top is the root part and the bottom here, this is the growth part. So this is how you can tell. On any node, you pick any node. So here actually we can also see that there is a very small leaf growing there. But if you look at these root knobs, they are below that node line. So that means this is the root side and this is the growth side. So on every single node it is going to be like that. And that's how you can tell that you got a cutting and now you don't know which side to put it in. Just look at the roots. Whichever side is the root side, that's what will go in the soil or in the water. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye bye.